At Healtech, we look at medicine from a different perspective. For decades, the focus in medicine has been on the biochemical influences of drugs. But at Healtech, we believe it's time for a new way to look at healthcare. It's time for an evolution. Imagine a world where microchips generate complex signals, replacing chemical drugs. Today, this dream becomes real. We, at Healtech, believe that bioelectronics will open a huge potential in healthcare. Today, our technology has come to a point that it is ready to change the way we treat diseases. Without drugs, but with patient-centered, high-level devices using modulated microcurrents. In our research centers, our teams work together, combining their expertise in life sciences and technology, turning these groundbreaking insights into innovative solutions. Here at Healtech, we are building the future of healthcare, creating a platform where specialized electronic hardware and revolutionary software come together to produce therapeutic programs on demand, valuing the needs and preferences of the patient. Already today, our technology is embedded in a medical device that has been used on thousands of patients with great efficiency and safety. Why not just join us in the bioelectronics evolution? Because at Healtech, we value your care.